Hello guys, we're back at it again with this video about our CRV. As you can see right here, we did a custom job on here. As you can see by the lights, we put a roof rack, we also put a bull bar, and we attached lights on there too. Man, this is super bright at night. It's blinding. That's why we don't use it. Also, as you can see, with this CRV right here, we painted all these black trims, so everything looks new and pops right at you. As you can see, I'm not lying here. It looks sick.
One thing that we made a mistake.
What happened?
We made a big platform to be like an off-road camping style, but we found out there's another thing you could do with a CRV.
Yeah.
Let's show them.
And look at this, guys. Here, open it up. As you can see, with these 2002 to 2006 CRVs, you don't need to create any platform, because you could fold the seats in a way that you could even sleep with this and camp out with this anywhere. You fold it like that.
And here we took our time to literally make a platform and everything,
Yeah,
but
we made it last year a video. We made a whole platform on here.
we could just store stuff here if we're trying to camp out and just sleep right there, man.
As you can see,
Seriously.
you could just literally sleep in here, like just fold the seats. You don't need to create any freaking platform, anything. Here, go in there. Yeah, demonstrate, please.
Oh yeah.
Here, let me go over here. As you can see, he's sleeping in there. Yeah, I can get a good angle on here. Yeah, you could just, two people could sleep in there. No problem.
Yeah,
And
it's very comfortable.
right here, see?
Wait, let me go here. It's very comfortable. So I could even like
Lay
look
in more, and yeah, you could
look
sleep.
how much space there is.
You even got the seat as a headrest. Two
Yeah.
people could, like, here, show them how it folds. Unfold these and fold them back up again. So people with CRV, people that own CRVs can actually see how this is done. All right, let me get closer to you.
It's just self-explanatory, just like that. The seat stays here normally. You just pull this front like that and just take this down. Some cars you can't put this down like
Yeah, you also pull this back seat way back and lower the this part down.
So you basically just pull this to the front and just lay that down. As you can see, it goes down like that. I think you can't go more than that.
Yeah, that's as much as it could go.
So yeah, look at all this room, man. You
Like
can sleep in here.
6-foot person could fit in these.
You could put a pillow right here, and you can have your drinks right there.
You know what would be awesome? If you put a inflatable mattress here.
I just figured out.
Oh, you even got a coffee right here. You could
so basically
even
like
got
this.
drinks on here.
Here, let me show them.
Yeah, you could just.
You got a drink here. Just take a sip. Just lay down. Enjoy yourself. I don't know why we built that big ass platform, but it's a learning, you know. We learned this. It has this option.
Yeah, this is an awesome option because you could literally make full use of this CRV interior, and you could camp out in anywhere. You could actually
So in a
chill like a theater. Look, it looks like a movie theater.
Now wait, this is a camper.
Yeah, I like this.
You don't need to make a custom camper. This is already made for you.
That's why I love this car, man. And it's awesome how we need to get bigger tires here, because if we don't get bigger tires, this car won't look done. It won't look finished. As you can see, it looks sick from the front, all black. But
That's it. It's very simple.
yeah, it's very simple. You could go watch our other video, guys, where we actually had our like we built a custom interior bedding for, like, you know, going on trips and whatnot. But this is a better option. It's already built in. And this is like 160 horsepower car. So it has plenty of power and like plenty of torque to, even if you fill this car to the brim, you can still zoom, and it could tow 1,500. Yeah, and look, we need bigger tires, and we need bigger tow bar. Yeah, we need a tow bar in here. It has its own. Yeah, we need to put a
one.
tow. What do you call that? Tow bar, tow hitch. And yeah, come over here. As you can see, we also Yeah, we told
Put
them
these
about them, but
vinyls.
let's tell them again.
Yeah, we have a lot of videos, but no one's watching it. Yeah, we install these. These are good for rain. If it's raining, you can still open your windows. Yeah, those lights are like 1,500 lumens. Very damn bright, man. Yeah, very bright lights. There's a lot of bugs out here.
Yeah.
Anyway, yo, we're gonna wrap it up like this. So if you own a CRV like this,
Don't try to like convert it. It's already converted for you. You just need to know that it does that for
yeah,
you.
because last year, like I said, we built a whole damn table, like whole platform, but we removed it because we figured out they purposely made a whole bedding in there, like a movie theater, just chill, drink.
And yeah, you could drink.
Yeah, so hopefully we helped you guys that own CRVs that do not build a platform, just do this, how it comes. And as always, have an awesome, great day, guys. Stay